Hi everyone, today we will see del method double underscore del double underscore method symbol. So del method, this is opposite to init method. Init method you use it to initialize the objects. This is a special method, right? This del method is used to delete the objects. Whenever the objects are out of scope, then the delete method will call and it will delete that objects. Okay, this is opposite to init method. Actually, the init method initializes an object when it is created, right? And the del method does just the opposite work. The delete method is automatically called when an object is going out of scope. This is the time when an object will no longer be used and its occupied resources are returned back to the system so that they can be reused and when required it. Okay, now we can see example for this one so that you can understand. So where is that one? We are using ideally how to execute the program, Python program. Go to open ideally, go to file, new file, take new file, and here you can write your programming. First I am taking one class ABC, follow indentation. Then you can create class variable, class underscore variable equal to, initially we are initializing with 0. Then what is this one? Class variable. Already we have discussed this one. What is class variable, what is object variable, then what are the differences among class variable and object variable, right? Next I am going to create constructor, means init method, init double underscore of. Within that we can use self argument, the object itself. It will return current object value, and within this constructor I am calling class variable abc dot class name dot variable name. Variable name is what? Class underscore var. So every time you need to increment 1. Okay, means abc class 1 class variable equal to abc dot class variable plus 1. You know that one, right? Then object variable I am creating self dot var equal to var. This is what? This is object variable. Then I am going to print some statement here. The object value is separate with comma. You can access variable, then print class variable also. So within this you can write some message. The value of class variable is separate with comma, then call class variable class name dot variable name is class underscore var, right? Then so here I am going to create del method. Whenever the object is out of scope, then we can call this method so that it will delete that object. Def double underscore del double underscore self. Got the point? Self argument must be first argument. So abc dot class underscore variable I'm calling here, so it should be decrement. So minus equal to 1, that means abc class variable equal to abc class variable minus 1. Every time it will decrement 1. So now I can print that one, print of, within this you can write object with value percentile d is going out of scope, so within this one already there, right? So here immediately you can write percentile self dot var, so that I can access object variable. Percentile d is going to out of scope, percentile self var. Okay, done. Then I need to call that one. I need to create object, right? How can I create? Obj1 equal to class name, object name equal to class name, within the class name passing value 10. Same way I can create two more objects, control V. So second object value is 20 and third object value is 30. Now how I can delete this one? Delete this objects means I need to call that delete method, right? How I can talk del space obj1, then it will call delete method, then it will execute it. Same way I can call three objects, del2 object del object 3, del object 3. Now I can execute this program. File, save as, give some name here. So del method example, right? Del method example dot py something. You can give any name here. Next, now I can run by clicking on run button here. So it's showing some indentation problem. Okay, we need to write here, we need to create object here. If you are not following indentation, it will throw error. So this should be out of class. Okay, right now I can save, then run module. See here, side by side you can see, so that you can understand here. I can drag. See, the object value is 10, then the value of class variable first time 1, then object value is 2, then second time class variable 2, then object value 30, third time class value will be 3. Then after that the objects are out of scope, right? So these objects are deleted by using this delete method. You can see here. So object with value 10 is going out of scope, object with value 20 is going out of scope, object with value 30 is going out of scope. Got the point? So this is the use of delete method. Del method in Python is just opposite to init method initializing the object values. It will delete the objects. Delete method when the object is out of scope. Got the point? If you create a delete method, you need to use this one, del object one, so that it will call that delete method, then it will execute it. Okay, done.